A local nonprofit health insurance company is no longer going to sell coverage under the state's health insurance exchange. Good evening, I'm Ann Nyberg.
And I'm Scott McDonald. 40,000 policyholders will now need to find new coverage. News 8's Jason Newton live tonight at News 8 Control with why this is happening and what it means for all those folks. Jason.
Scott, HealthyCT is the state's third largest health insurance provider and was set up as the only co-op health provider under the state's health exchange program. It's a nonprofit provider that now finds itself in serious financial trouble.
The state's insurance commissioner announced Tuesday that because of a hazardous financial standing, HealthyCT is now under an order of supervision, essentially freezing the company's business as is, where they cannot issue new policies or renew existing ones. Insurance Commissioner Catherine Wade said in a statement, "This is not an action we take lightly, but did so in order to immediately protect the company's 40,000 policyholders in Connecticut." Quinnipiac health law professor John Thomas thinks this move is the beginning of the end for the only nonprofit health provider in the state.
In practice, that's probably the end of the company, and the CEO, as I understand it, is contemplating closing doors and laying off its 72 employees.
HealthyCT is a co-op that meets monthly with the state insurance department, and their finances were in good standing. The trouble started when the federal government hit them in June with a bill for more than $13 million. Professor Thomas explains the risk adjustment transfer program.
Once a year, the government on the Affordable Care Act takes a look at the playing field and tries to level it, shifting money from those insurance companies that have insured healthy people to those insurance companies that have insured sick people. And what happened this time is HealthyCT got a bill for $13.4 million.
HealthyCT's existing policyholders will see no immediate impact on coverage, claims payments, or customer service. But it could be an inconvenience for those thousands who have to search for new coverage when it expires.
This is a very small portion of the Affordable Care Act, so this does not threaten the Affordable Care Act. I do think it says that the co-op program as is established is not sustainable.
Now, there were initially 23 nonprofit co-op health insurance providers nationwide. They've had a terrible success record, though. Now only 11 remain, and that could drop down to 10, depending on the future of HealthyCT. Right now, there are 4 healthcare providers in the Connecticut Exchange. Live in News 8 Control, I'm Jason Newton.